going to be showing y'all how I make my custom light switch covers. So I've already poured my part A and B, so I'm just gonna mix it together.
One eternity later.
As you can see, my resin is getting clear, but it still has streaks in it. It's kind of cloudy. When you think you're done stirring, stir some more. Now that my resin is clear, let me just move these flowers out the way. I'm gonna pour the resin just a little bit so the flowers will stick to the mold. This customer wanted green, blue, and purple flowers. Just take my popsicle stick and kind of press it down some more and kind of get some resin on top of the flower to weigh it down a little. Now I'm gonna take, if I have any left, I barely have any left, but some of my green leaves and place them next to the flowers. So my customer wanted some bronze or copper flakes, so I'm just gonna add that in there. So I'm gonna let this dry overnight and then I'll come back and do the back layer to it. Okay, now we're pouring the black background.